Yeah.
Okay, my name is Steve. I'm doing this special dedication. What is your name, sir?
Dan.
To Dan. This is a special dedication to Dan. I've been doing street performance here in Waikiki for over 15 years. This is one of my premier tricks. This is, in fact, this is the best thing I do. Check it out. I'm going to do this 4 different ways. This is way number 1, donation bucket. I do work for donations, just to let you know. Nothing in the coat, nothing under my shoes. And now watch. Watch the feet.
I got magic. Gotta give his money.
Can I borrow you, ma'am, just for a moment? You come, just for a second. Hands like this. You want to get a shot on the side, sir. Get a shot on the side. Come closer. Feet together. Hands up and stiff. Don't worry, sir. I won't kiss her, I promise. Thank you. All right. Once again, the feet. Watch the feet. And one last one. Keep videotaping. Keep the camera rolling.
Yeah.
Watch. "11 inches high. I'm only wearing the coat. That's it. There's nothing connected to me.
Wow.
I'm gonna do this for you so you know there's nothing. Both feet are in the shoes, and nothing. And I thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Oh, where are you from? Australia. Australia. Come on up. But make the donation in advance if you don't mind. I appreciate it. The only reason I say that is because I was on my way home, and he asked me to stop and perform something, and I'll stop and perform something for you. Come on up. Anything that folds is good. It can't be Australian, it's gotta be American. Yeah, I can't exchange Australian. That's the problem. They'll take anything, they won't take anything. They won't take anything your way. All right. Well, thank you very much, folks. That will conclude my performance. Thank you, man.